Welcome back to our series of videos jumping into the timeline view in Plottr. And in this video, we're going to take a look at stacking scene cards. Now, stacking scene cards simply means you can put more than one scene card under each plot line for any chapter. For example, under the main plot line in Chapter 1, if we have more than one scene in that chapter, simply hover over the first scene card and a plus icon will appear below it. If you click on the plus icon, you can create another scene card, so something else happens. And you can do that on any or all of the plot lines, wherever you need them. So here we have another scene. And you can create as many scene cards as you need for each chapter. The more scene cards you create, the more it spreads the timelines apart. So you do have an option for stacking or collapsing the scene cards. To do that, simply hover over the plot line, and you have two options, one to collapse and one to collapse all. If I choose to collapse, it will collapse the scene cards for only this plot line. And you can see what it looks like. Where there were two scene cards, now there's just one stack with the message two scenes, and if you click on that, it will give you the details for those two scenes. Your second option is to collapse all, and if you use this option, it will collapse all the scene cards in all the plot lines. So as you see for Chapter 3 under the Wolf's plot line, you now have a message there are 3 scenes. You can expand them again, either for just this plot line or for all plot lines. So that's how stacking scene cards works in Plottr. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and give the video a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to the channel to get all our latest tutorials and information. And I'll see you in the next video.